Hey guys, I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to be playing with the Norvina Volume 3. I have waited for this palette for like a year, I swear. Let me check when I did my first reviews of these palettes. 7 months ago. Okay, so not a year, but still 7 months is a long time to wait for something to come to Sephora, okay? So yeah, I was like waiting for this for so long and I was like pretty much giving up on it. I was like, yeah, no, like I don't think it's ever gonna come, like, you know. And then one day, just randomly, they didn't even announce it or anything like that. It was just like one day it was there. So I'm so excited. This is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. I actually love the packaging of this one. It is so beautiful. I love the little butterflies. I think they are so pretty and so cute and I'm so excited. I had a look at this palette and knew what I was going to do straight away. So let's jump straight into it. I'm really excited. Okay, so I think the first shade that I'm going to take is E4 and that's down here. And it's just like a yellow. I think this one's definitely my favorite out of the 3 so far. I want to buy number 4 next, which is the newest one, and it's like a lot more kind of neutral, like pinks and stuff. So I shall do that when I can afford to, which is probably not going to be until next year. No, I don't know. I've just got a lot on this year and I'm so excited because I don't want to talk about any of it yet. I don't want to start giving things away, but I feel like you guys are gonna shit your pants when you see what I've got in store for the rest of the year, and I'm really hoping I can pull it off. I might not even be able to pull it off. Hopefully I can. Alright, let's go in with E4, which is the, what have I done? I've not even primed my eyes. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Piloise base in Rumor. Oh, okay. I'm too excited, I need to stop. But yeah, I really think you guys are gonna love what I've got planned for this year. It is not going to be an easy year, let me tell you that much. But it's gonna be so worth it, so I don't even care. Okay, now that we're primed, let's go in with E4. I hadn't even zoomed you guys in or anything. This is what happens when I get excited. Okay, so I'm just starting by putting this shade on. I really want this yellow to be as vibrant as possible, so I am just using a little bit of extra time to build her up. Okay, now I'm going to take a bit of a smaller brush. I want to do a giveaway in July. What do you guys want to see? I kind of want to do just like a smaller one, like maybe like a $200 giveaway or something, like not like giveaway $200, but like a giveaway worth $200. Just like a kind of a smaller one, you know. I think after this, after I film this, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna budget my money for the rest of the year because what I have planned is going to be so expensive, so I need to make sure that I can actually afford it, but I'll make it work. Alright, now I'm going to go into the orange of the palette, the more like peachy tone one. It's this one here and it's called E3, and I'm gonna put that on next. And just blend that into... I feel like I'm already going to get questions about this, so I'm just going to answer it while we're here. This is a Morphe X Jeffree Star brush. I'm also using my Jeffree Star mirror. I'm not going to start throwing out my brushes because there's not a reason to. If you kind of just see it like this, like, you know, I'm not gonna throw out my mirror because one, no one is ever gonna buy this. It's gross. But like there's no point wasting it for no reason. The makeup, it's fine because I wasn't gonna use that off camera. I can still use these all the time, on and off of camera. And yeah, so I know that people are already gonna be like, well, you said that you're getting rid of Jeffree Star, but you still have his mirror and his brushes. And I'm like, I get it, I get how it looks, but there is no point wasting them for no reason. The makeup is different. If I had have kept the makeup, it would have sat in my beauty room and gone untouched. So yes, I know that people are already going to be like trying to expose me, but anyway, I just wanted to address that before anyone comes for me. Someone commented on my video the other day and they're like, you still have Jeffree Star cosmetics products on your bottom shelf. And what they're talking about is down here I have the velour liquid lipstick, you know, like the bundles, how they come in those boxes. I've just got the boxes displayed there. No one sees them because you can't actually see them in my videos, but like I don't know, they were just there for display, and it's not like something that I figured that was so important, like that people were trying to like expose me. I'm like, I'm not lying, like, I don't know. Anyway, taking a bit of that yellow again, and I'm just going to use that to go to like blend this out. But yeah, I don't know, I just feel like sometimes people are just always going to try and see your faults, and I'm just trying to do the right thing, but it's all good. Alright, I'm going back into the orange and I'm just placing some more. Just bringing it down so I don't miss any areas. I'm not going to cut my crease this low, but I would prefer to have like the extra room to work with, you know. Alright, and then I'm going to give her another blending. And then I'm going to go off camera and cut my crease. Should I go full cut crease, half cut crease? What do we think? I was gonna go for a full cut crease, but maybe I should do a half one. I haven't done a half one in a while. Have I? I don't know. I could add a pink on the outer corner and then do a half cut crease. You know what? I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go in with B3, which is a pink. Put that in the outer corner. And then blend it up kind of through the crease a little, or where I'm going to cut it anyway. Then we're going to blend it again. I'm going to go in to the orange once again and just use that to really bring that colour back through. Like that. And then I'm going to take my big blendy brush and I'm going to take it into the yellow and just put that on the edges. Okay, and then before I cut the crease, I'm just taking the yellow off that brush and I'm gonna blend everything. Alright, I'm gonna go cut my crease and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut my crease now, and now I'm gonna take this really pretty purple color and it's called E5, and I'm going to put that on. I'm so excited for this. This shade is so pretty. I'm gonna bring it pretty close to the pink, and then I can blend the pink back into it. Yeah, so it's like a purple and it's got little sparkles through it. But it's just such a nice colour. I feel like these colours all just complement each other so well. Like, okay, I'm gonna go back into the pink called B3. Okay, and now let's blend. Okay, I feel like we should do liner, but first I have to go do something, pick my sister up, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I just had to go pick my sister up from my sister's house. I want a bit more shimmer on this, so I'm thinking I might take C1 and put some of that over the top. So I might just take it on my finger. Actually, I'll take it on a brush. Just to add like a little bit more shimmer to it, but I still really want that purple there, so. Yes, that looks so cool. I feel like just that compared to that, like it just looks a lot nicer, so I'm glad. Okay. Right, I'm gonna take the big blender, just give everything one last blend, and I think I do want to do liner today as well. And I might just make sure that this edge is fully blended properly. I haven't used my Fenty Fly liner in a while, so I'm going to use that one today. And just do a wing. Oh, whoopsies, I made that so thick, lol. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go off camera and put lashes on, do the rest of my face and everything. And then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. I feel like this one's still thicker, is it? Yeah, I need to make them match. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, this is the finished look. I really like the way it turned out. I used the XO Beauty lashes in Panther. So let me zoom you in and show you the finished look. I think it looks really nice. But yeah, I feel like I really like this palette. I feel like the colours blended so nicely. And just the whole colour story of this palette, I think this palette is so stunning. It is so pretty, like, oh, all of these colours are just so bright and so fun and so beautiful, and you'll notice that there's quite a few browns and stuff in here, so you can do a neutral look. Literally the possibilities are endless. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get the fourth one soon, hopefully. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.